worried about. Girls banging at my show, getting carried out. I crushed every doubt that anybody might have ever had. Thought I would quit, nah, never that. I'm up early every day and every night I'm up late. Now every time I hit the track, I be spitting crack. Motherfuckers wanna hit me up just to touch base. Fuck that, fuck that, If you started as a hater, stay a hater, bitch. I'm screaming, fuck that, fuck that, yeah. Now that we got that out the way, yeah, I started at the bottom and I made it up. Story of my life so crazy in a way I could've made it up. Crossed over to the mainstream with the same team. Made it look so easy you would think I laid it up. Rat Pack, DOT, better get it right. Ain't no negativity over here, we just living life. Chillin' with some beautiful women that wanna spend the night. Yeah, so you know I'm finna get it live.
Everywhere that we go, they be calling my name. This is all that we know. We ain't playing no games, you know we bout that life.
So live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right. Cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control and don't just take it, eh? Make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down, and I will never give up